Hey folks, let's do today's CSS Daily Target. What is it today? Almost too simple, huh? All right, so how does one create this shape? I think we go nested template, add the background color here, add this background color temporarily, so these margins, we adjust these margins 3, 4, 41, 42, 43, 44, 44. Oh, and interesting. And then this is less 3, 4, 3, 2, 22, 21, 22, 22. Okay. So then what? Let's do the background as, actually, let's do a border bottom. Ten pixels, 20, 30, 35, 36. All right. And then let's do a conic gradient. Which is going to be, oh, is that color? Oh, is that color just white? That color's just white. Look at that. So I think that means that we can use, okay, so I don't need to put a background there, and I can do, well, I do need to do a color, and transparent is more characters than white. So 4 zeros is transparent, 3 Fs is white, 75%, 75%, and then that color, nope, not that one. 0. And in this case, we need to be at 0, 0. And strangely, that is applying in ways that are surprising to me. What's going on there? Oh, very strange. So is this margin not applying? I'm a little concerned about that. So this is not doing at all what I think it ought to be doing. Yeah, that's no good. So I don't understand what's happening there. So let's rethink this. I'm going to move all of this like this. Put it on that. Okay. So now we're at, okay. So what do I need to do here? I'm surprised. So so we're gonna do this the more old-fashioned way. It's going to be very similar, but not the same. Yeah, so I just gave up on that. I actually think I don't need to do anything on the body, and I'm just going to do the paragraph tag. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 52, and 30, 20, 21, 22, and then I'm going to do border bottom, just like I was going to do, 30 pixels solid, and then that color. And I'm still going to do a conic gradient. Which is white, 75% round, and then that color again. 0, and it's going to be at 0, 0, and have a width and a height. And that's what that looks like. Okay, so the height is wrong. I need to make it so that that border aligns with the bottom. 2, 4, 5, 6, 65, 66. And then that border bottom is what? It needs to be thicker, which I probably already did that successfully, because I need to drop height on that. Okay, no. Is that 36 pixels? 35, 34, 35. There it is. Okay. So now this should behave more properly. If I do a no repeat, it'll be a little clearer. I'm going to put black in the background. So now, so the height of this is just 100%. Great. And so I don't need to add it as the background size. And then I need to do an at value of 40 pixels, 40 pixels. These are way too small. And the width needs to encompass that border. Look, the space between 100, okay, and then 100 down, 110, 20, 30, 40 down, and then we let it repeat, and that is the solution. There are a lot of different ways to approach this one. I think that this is a super fun one. But that's a fine score. That's acceptable score to me. Do I want to do this another way? Like there's opportunities to do box shadows here, inset borders, changing the margins on the body itself. And in fact, if we don't do that border bottom, what do we get? And we make it taller. 5, 6. Oh, so 200? No, we're not going to do that. We're not doing that. Let's minify and unit replace and get out of here, because I'm tempted to do it several different ways. But hey, you do that. You do that and send me your video. I will totally watch it. I'm always fascinated to watch people do solve problems like this. I do enjoy these puzzles a great deal. Hope you're having a great day. Take care of yourself and make a web page. And good night.